Hi, this is a quick demonstration of a photo approval system that lets you at the same time adjust for the size. It does lets you do cropping and a gamma, which is kind of like the contrast brightness. The first up, it shows me the current user profile. They already have a photo. This is going to be an additional one. It lets you quickly reject the photo if it's something like something we don't want, or if it's like a bunch of roses or a car or something uploaded and it's not a picture of the person themselves. So now in this case, it is a person. So the main thing is to first resize it so that it's going to be about the right size so their head fits in that small circle. Now in this case, it's too close up of a photo to really ever get that. But we can minimize it a little bit and get it a little closer to our standards. As far as the brightness contrast, it looks kind of good. If I brighten it up a little bit, it might be a little bit more appropriate. Now, I simply then click in the upper left-hand corner. This thing follows me around. And then after I do the first, which is the large photo, it lets me do the little snapshot for the search results. In that case, we want the face to fill more of the photo. And since in this case that's how this one is, there's not really much else to do but click again in the right spot. Now it's going to show me what it looks like afterwards. It's not a live update in this version. This was not needed. This uses a command line version of an image editing tool that works with Windows and Unix and a couple other OSs. It's basically called Image Magic, and the command line thing is called mogrify. This is taking a little bit long because my server is slow today. And image editing sometimes does take. Now, what this tool lets you do is, I mean, I'm not doing all these, but you could do cropping, which I'm already doing, resizing, but you can blur it, despeckle, dither, draw on it, which I guess means text, flip it, join it with another image, resample. Um, and this is just taking forever. And okay, so now if something went wrong, there'd be another quick option here to reject it. Just a quick review, and then moving on, this is the next one. Now it looks like this person uploaded a bunch of photos. So now we're going to do this next one. This one's better in that the face is a small portion of the photo. So we could get a nice body shot from a distance, which this is about the size of the head. In this case, I have to move it over to fill it. But this case, we can get something that shows the whole person's body, whereas the next one you'll see, we'll have to resize it. Because now the head's too small for this. So now you would enlarge it so that the head takes up about what we want to get this headshot. And it's going to take a little bit. But now basically this software could easily be modified to do other different things, but this is what was developed for an online dating site. I'm going to quickly let you see the results of this one, and then I'll call this demonstration quits. And also, just quick note, the current software version, which is rather simple, works right now only with Internet Explorer. The JavaScript would need to be changed to make it cross-browser compatible, but that is not really an issue. This was really God, it was developed about 10 years ago. This project ended maybe even about 6 years ago, and it just hasn't been needed since. Now, something went wrong here, so this is just file corrupt, I guess. So maybe move on to the next person. I'm not sure what happened here. They might have uploaded a bunch of PNGs or even GIFs. I'm not quite sure. I know this handles JPEGs, this software. It might not have been. Okay, so now we have another person. Quickly, this would be a nice, only because this would make the head a little bit smaller. Some experience on what should be on the site. I guess that took us for the head, not just the face. But again, mainly what we are concerned about is a picture of the person, not really the background and other things. And I guess the brightness is about right in this photo. The brightness is carried through from both in small and large photo. So if I adjust it on the small one, it would be carried through for the big one. I guess that's it. So thank you.